In this video, I'm going to show you how to create AI-generated news articles using DeepSeek in 2025. Start by opening DeepSeek and typing a prompt like "Write a news article about this topic." Then include the who, what, when, where, and why. DeepSeek will generate a well-structured article with a headline, lead paragraph, body content, and conclusion written in the professional news style. You can ask it to adjust the tone to be formal, neutral, or more engaging, or request multiple versions for different audiences. If needed, DeepSeek can summarize breaking news, rewrite articles for clarity, or create short news briefs for social media. Once finished, review the content for accuracy, edit as needed, and publish it on your website or platform. So that's it.